Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jodo. This is Roxanne. Today, we will explore how to trigger automation with a custom button. In automation, you can set the following triggered actions, including adding record, updating record, deleting record, querying record, and querying records. So, you can use custom buttons to trigger automation to perform configured actions, streamlining your workflow. Now, let's illustrate this feature with a practical scenario. Let's say you are responsible for recording attendance information at an event organized by your company. You have an employee information form. A new check-in form has been created to record the names of the people who show up and when they show up. When an employee arrives, you need to enter the employee's name and time in order. This is a very time-consuming task before the event starts and is not conducive to the smooth running of an event. Is it possible to record employee attendance and check-in times with just one click? The solution is the custom button. Once adding a custom button to the employee information, you just have to click on the custom button in front of the name of the attendee in the employee information form. Then, the name and attendance time of the attendee will be synchronized to the check-in form automatically. To achieve this, we need to set up a custom button first. After configuring your form, go to the extension page. Click the custom button and then New to add a custom button. Then the design page will pop up. On this page, you can rename the button and change its style, color, and icon. After that, you need to set conditions. The condition is set to ensure that the custom button is available only when the records meet the condition. You can choose when records meet all of or any of the following conditions. In this case, you can set the field of name is not empty to ensure that there is a check-in button in front of everyone's name. However, in other cases, if the entered data does not meet the set condition, the custom button will be unavailable. You can choose to hide the button or make it unclickable. Hide button is the default state. No button will be displayed in the form when the condition is not met. If you choose this to show an unclickable button, you can customize the tooltip to inform members why the button is unavailable currently. Next, it's time to set the automation. Select Run Automations in the drop-down list of triggered action. A new page will pop up in which you need to configure the automation. Click the plus to add a node. Rename the node and choose the check-in form as the target form. Then, you need to set the field value. If you want the value of some field of the target form to be synchronized to the other form's field automatically, then select Field Value and configure it. If you want to set a default value for the field, then select Custom and set a value. Empty is your best choice if you want the initial stage of the field to be blank and members can customize the field value. In this automation, since you need to trigger the field value in employee information, you need to select the field value. After saving the settings above, the page of Select Permission Sets page will pop up. You can set permissions in it, or you can click the button Setup later. In this case, you can configure permission sets and publish. Click to Members so that you can select members to grant them permissions. To display the button in the form, click Other Settings in the Publish page. Choose Custom Button and enable the display in Grid View. Hit OK to confirm your selection. What should be mentioned is that only members with the permission of Add and Manage My Data can view the custom button and use the button when the data meets the set conditions. If a member only has permission to submit, he or she can't see or use the button no matter whether the entered data meets the configured condition. You've mastered the art of triggering automations through custom buttons. Now, it's your chance to unleash your creativity and customize the button to fit your exact needs. Let's make things happen. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. There are more how-to videos to help you get started with speed and ease.